how can you put the Instagram on the lock screen of your iPhone? Like, how can you literally put a Instagram camera on the lock screen? Let me show you how it works. Let's get started. If you're new here, subscribe so you don't miss videos like this. Well, on your home screen, lock screen, when you go like this, make sure you hold down on it to get to this page, and then tap on the customize button like this. And we can change the toggles at the bottom, like the camera and whatnot, but in order to find and add the Instagram camera, tap on the widget area, which is below the time right there. So you're going to tap on it like this. The widget selection is going to appear, so just make sure that you have the Instagram app downloaded and installed on your iPhone to begin with. But if you do it, or if you have it installed, it should appear on the list of available widgets for lock screen. And when you click on Instagram, you can see that we have the toggles, or like 4 available widgets, which is to quickly get you to the Reels, Messages, the Explore section, or Create. And you need to tap on the Create, which is like the, technically the camera or the creation part of the Instagram, and you will quickly be able to get it there, from the lock screen specifically. Of course, you will need to like scan your face and like unlock your device, but it saves you some steps in between. And perhaps if you want to capture something very quickly directly on Instagram, it might be a good idea to put it on your lock screen like this. So let me know if you managed to successfully do this on your device. Thanks a lot for watching and your support, and I'll see you later in the upcoming tutorials and videos similar to this one. So thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later.